Top of the morning to ya. No, nothing. Gotta keep some things normal. All right, welcome, guys. Just quickly, I kind of changed your assignment today because I noticed, I don't know, I wanted to give you some breathing room, a little bit of breathing room. Still trying to decipher what the College Board sent out yesterday via Twitter about taking the AP exam at home using AP Classroom. So that would be a very interesting thing for them to do. But we are prepared because we have been taking our exams in AP College Classroom. So thank you, Luhai, for running out of paper. So today, what you guys are going to be working on is that you're going to be looking at the decolonization movements in South Africa and India. You should have filled out online notes. I noticed that that took a little more time because you did have to get information from Stryer. You could also use freemanpedia.com, who Benjamin released a tweet yesterday about the Benjamin Freeman, just in case you weren't that familiar with him, because I had coffee with him at Starbucks. Just in case. So that information is also on there. So if you need to fix that, add that. That is why I took a decolonization. You're not writing the whole DBQ. You're going to work on your planning. So you should have in your planning page your thesis, statement. So you should have the regions, the people, the time, the main topic that you're covering that they have in common, and then you should have your three groupings. Okay, so your three groupings should have a topic, should have the documents that you're going to be using to support that topic, and the main claim and argument that you're going to be using, because we're going to argue the documents. We're not argue the documents that make it fit to the claim. If you watch today, Heimler, how to use documents to write a DBQ, that's what I really want you to focus on, is taking the documents and making them an argument. I don't want you to summarize the documents because I know you guys can do that because you guys do it so well. I need you to argue those documents. So that's what I want you to put. Document and the argument on how this document fits into your thesis statement. Okay? If you are struggling with this, we could totally have a meetup today. Or actually, probably the meetup probably would be better tomorrow. So why don't we, if you guys collectively as a whole, because I know you guys are still group texting, and you'll probably group text about my daughter's headband. Don't make fun of it, it's hers. We can have a Google Hangout tomorrow during the class time, a Google Meetup during class time, so that we can work through that, or I'll send you a link to my room. I'm thinking out loud. I need to stop doing it. All right, so yeah, that's what you're going to be working on. So you're going to click on this, and it's going to give you the assignment. The question is here, and then underneath it, it says that you'll use a Google Doc for a planning page. That Google Doc is going to be in that shared folder that I shared with you. This is the title, 3 Decolonization Movements. Take out the punctuation and just put your last name. And that's it. All right, and we'll play it by there. There's a Khan Academy Independence Movements that will also help you answer those questions, and a crash course that also help you fill out the graphic organizer I sent to you, and I touched my face. And that's that. I'm also going to send you guys a really good article I read this morning about the Wall Street Journal, about the coronavirus, and talking about how it's a virus that's spread from human to animal, and how different animals are carriers of it, and gives a really good breakdown of what the coronavirus actually is. Like, I feel more well-informed now than I have watching endless hours of the news the past couple of days. So I'll share that document with you, because it's always important to keep yourself well-educated with a variety of sources, so that you can come to a conclusion for yourself. So I'm going to send that to you today too. But that's for fun. That's not an assignment. That's just for me sharing my knowledge that I've acquired. All right, so have a beautiful day. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Love you guys. Have a great day. Woo! St. Patrick's Day.